English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Mr. Chairman Sir, my friend Sri Ram Naik and Sri Nitish Kumar ji are both clear-headed persons. They have assumed charge of the railway department and presented the railway budget in a very good manner. Honorable Sri Ram Naik ji has started that member should speak about the conditions of railway network in their constituencies. I will also abide by it. Honorable Minister will be surprised to know that there are still some places in the country which are still avoided of even 1 kilometer of railway line. This area include my own constituency and the area of Andaman and Nicobar which come under the constituency of my friend Sri Manoranjan Indiraji had covered up this area by showing the children and the people of those area a circular toy train and a station. She had presented this train to us during her visit to Lakshadweep. I thank you for presenting a good budget. I think railway has made a big contribution in strengthening the integrity of the country. Railway has done a commendable work to connect the people with each other. The only issue which I discussed with Honorable Nitish Kumar and Sri Ram Naik was that the people of Andaman, Lakshadweep and Sikkim needed to be emotionally integrated with the rest of India by linking them with the different part of country by developing railway network. There a train by the name of Andaman Express should be introduced for the people of this area to enable them to go anywhere in India including Delhi and Kolkata. Other train by the name of Lakshadweep Express and Sikkim Express from Delhi to Kochi and Delhi to Sikkim respectively should also be introduced in the concerned area. It will still in them a feeling that the Indian Railway is running trains for them connecting their area to the capital. When I talked to the minister to connect those people with the rest of India, they accepted the proposal with a sympathetic and considerate way. Tomorrow I will get the full information from his speech. I would request the minister to have patience as this action is going to benefit the nation, give an opportunity to the people of India to understand the suggestion even by me. I and my colleague Sri Manoranjan had talked to Sri Nitish Kumar. Therefore, I thank him in advance. The Honorable Minister has started railway booking facility there during the previous discussion on railway budget. I did not even have the chance to raise such a point.